How to make a 6 double crochet popcorn stitch. Make 6 double crochets into the same stitch. Draw up the last loop slightly and remove the hook. Insert the hook into the first of 6 double crochets made, pick up the dropped loop and draw it through. Make a chain 1 to secure the popcorn. That's your 6 double crochet popcorn stitch.